Arundel Cellars and Brewing Company in northeast Pennsylvania, one of thousands of Harvest Toast locations scattered throughout the United States and Canada. Once you're all set up, come on in and check out the food menu, and then check out the wine list. And you can order your own flight of wines to taste while you're waiting for your meal to arrive. So the wines we loved that I found were special or very good was the red one, which is the Chamberson, and of course I like the Soulmates, which is the white red way on the left hand side, lower left corner, which is a sweet Concord and Niagara grape blend. The Riesling was very special. Harvest Toast guests may set up in their large gravel parking lot with plenty of room for your rig. And this is a winery that actually has a vineyard with plenty of grapes. It's a very nice, quiet location to set up for the night. Arundel is located on the railway mainline between Chicago and Albany, New York. Therefore, plenty of trains pass by through the day and through the evening. If you've ever wondered about that whistle that trains blow whenever they go through a grade crossing, it is the Morse code for the letter Q. When Queen Victoria and Prince Albert were riding on their train across England, it would always blow that whistle whenever they came through town. It was announcing that the Queen and the Prince were passing through town, and so people should get out of the way because this train will not stop. Arundel Cellars and Brewing is definitely a very pleasant location to set up for the night on your way going from point A to point B. Enjoy it!